Today on the Adventures of Munks.
If you touch the puppy, he makes a sound.
His name is Munks. Here's a skeleton. His name is Munks. He wants to be your new best friend. But being a monkey is hard, convincing people you're alive. And what fits like a glove is the story of your life. His name is Munks. He'll be with us till the end, 'cause we can't find his dad. His next adventure is about to begin. The Adventures of Munks.
Hello, best friends, and welcome to Techie Thursday with Munks. I am very, very excited to review a fun app today, and yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. We should get right into it, and we're going to use Matt's thumbs. Matt's going to help us with his thumbs, but I'll talk about the cool app, okay? It's a race car app, and I'm very excited. Hey, Matt.
What, buddy?
Will you help us out?
Sure.
Thanks. Alright, so we just need to get into the phone here. Go into the games that we like to review. And it's this one. This is a fun racing game, and you can get all sorts of cars. We'll go right here to this station. And look, you can choose all the cars. That's a Jeep that I just got upgraded to, because I did really good. There's a fast sports car. There's a really fast sports car, or a cop car, or just a normal car, convertible, four-wheeler, a pink smart car, an ice cream truck, kind of a Batman car, motorcycle, a bug, Corvette, big truck. Yeah, almost anything. Let's do the, should we do the ice cream truck? Alright, let's do that. So we select that car, and then we can choose a character. We can choose someone to be in the car. We could do a reindeer, or a chicken, or a shark, or a sheep, or a kitty, or a monster, or a puppy, or a frog. Should we do the puppy? Yeah! Alright, let's do the puppy. And he barks. They all make sounds. Watch. Let's do the puppy. And we can change the color. I like the ice cream color the best. And if you tap on it, you can change the wheels or the door. Oh, that's nice. Okay, let's use it. Let's play. We're racing that other guy. Here we go. And then if we want to speed up, we push this. See how fast we can go? Oh, he's fast. Woohoo! We're winning. Uh-oh. Red light. Ah! He got ahead of us! We gotta go! Oh, it's starting to rain. Careful, slick roads. Don't go so fast. Oh, I hope we win. Oh, no! We got a broken door. We gotta fix it. Fix, fix, fix. Fix, fix, fix. Okay, we gotta catch him. No! Whoa! was so close. That was so close. Whoa. Oh, we almost lost. Oh, we got a new car. That was crazy. Here's the cars that we've won. Wow, should we use the new race car? Let's use it and race. Let's go. We can go to a new place. Let's go up here to the Colosseum. That's in Rome. The Colosseum's in Rome. Your mark, it's it. Go! Oh, our new car is so fast. Yeah, it's really fast. We're beating him by a long shot. We're doing great. We can even slow down. He's going so slow. We're doing, oh, look at the sheep and the mountain. Oh, no! Oh, man. That's why y'all gotta keep your eyes on the road. I totally missed that rock. We'll just get it moved. Uh-oh, but now he's ahead of us. We gotta go. Don't look at the sheep. Just look at the road. Oh, raining. Gotta go slow in the rain. Don't want to slip out of control. Oh, man. Oh, no, my tire fell off. We gotta fix it. Tap on the tire there. Oh, fix. Okay, we gotta go. We're gonna lose. Oh, we got him. Whoa! Whoa, we barely won again. My goodness, that was so close. Oh, and we got a new van. Pop. Wow, all right, let's do the Jeep this time. I want to see what the Jeep can do. And look, let's go to Paris. We can go to Paris with the Eiffel Tower. Your mark, get set, go! Oh, yeah. Really powerful Jeep. Oh, but he's fast. That guy in his truck, he's fast. If you touch the puppy, he makes a sound. Oh, and if you touch the car, we honk our horn. I hope we don't lose. That guy's really fast. Oh, no! Oh, good thing we got that big magnet to get us out. We gotta catch him. Yo, he's so fast. Oh, there we go. We caught him. What a beautiful place this is. Uh-oh. No, the door. We gotta fix it. Quick. Oh, no, it's raining. We gotta go. We might lose. Oh, no, he's winning. Oh, no. Oh, it's gonna be close. Oh, no. Oh, we pulled ahead. Uh-oh, my tire. Oh, we gotta fix it. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Oh, no. There he is! Oh no! We lost! Oh man! I hope we win next time. Well, that's all we're gonna play that game today. Wow! What a fun game! Sorry we lost at the end. But you know what? It's okay to lose sometimes. You just gotta keep trying. You don't actually lose unless you give up. Yeah, so even if you lose, keep trying. You'll get there someday. Don't give up, okay? Alright, love you so much, new best friends. Hope you have a great day, and join us tomorrow for Foodie Friday with Munks. We are gonna do something crazy. Yeah, very crazy, okay? Love you, new best friends. Bye!